Asterisk hey there, language adventurers. Cody here, and boy, do I have something exciting to share with you today, asterisk. You know that feeling when you finally crack a code that seemed impossible at first? Well, that's exactly what happened to me with Thai tones. Picture this, I was sitting in a Bangkok cafe, trying to order my favorite dish, when suddenly everything clicked. The conversation around me wasn't just talking, it was like listening to a beautiful symphony. Here's the thing, many of my students come to me saying, Cody, Thai tones are driving me crazy. Trust me, I've been there. But what if I told you that you're already using tones every day in English? When you're excited, disappointed, or asking a question, those are all different tones. Today, I'm going to share my breakthrough method that's helped hundreds of students master Thai tones. No more confusion, no more fear, just pure fun with language. Think of it as learning to play a musical instrument, except this instrument is your voice, and the song you'll be creating is Thai conversation. Ready to unlock the musical secrets of Thai? Let's dive in together and make those tricky tones your new best friends. Let's make Thai sounds fun. Hey there! Cody here again. You know what's fascinating about Thai? It's like a musical language. Today, I'm going to show you how to master Thai sounds in a way that'll make sense to your English-speaking brain. Trust me, after teaching hundreds of students, I've found some really cool tricks to make this fun. The musical notes of Thai, the 5 tones. Imagine Thai tones like playing a piano. Just like how a piano has different notes, Thai has 5 different notes or tones, and each one can be sung either short, like a quick tap, or long, like holding the note. Pretty cool, right? Let's break these down with some fun, everyday examples. 1. Mid-tone, your natural speaking voice. Think of this as your comfortable speaking voice, not high, not low, just right. Short version, quick tap.
Ngùng,
Confused. Sounds like, just say wrong without the R and W.
ngùng, ngùng, ngùng. Young,
Still. Yet. Sounds like, starting to say young but stopping halfway.
young, young, young.
Long version, hold it.
Ta,
I. Sounds like, the ta and tada, but longer.
ta, ta, ta. Na,
Rice field. Sounds like, saying nah like when you're disagreeing.
na, na, na.
2. Low tone, going down. Imagine you're disappointed, that's your low tone. Short version.
Chắc.
Will. Sounds like, the jaw in jazz, but shorter.
Chắc. 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 Lệ,
Messy. Sounds like, the lu and let, but lower.
lệ, lệ, lệ.
Long version.
Nám,
Water. Sounds like, saying nam but with AA instead of O.
nám, nám, nám. Chá,
Slow. Sounds like, cha and cha-cha but stretched out.
chá, chá, chá.
3. Falling tone, sliding down. Think of sliding down a playground slide with your voice. Short version.
Cày,
Chicken. Sounds like, starting die high and sliding down.
cày, cày, cày. ไข่
Egg. Sounds like Kai starting high and dropping.
ไข่ ไข่ ไข่
Long version.
ห้าง
Department store. Sounds like saying hang starting high and sliding down long.
ห้าง 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 ข้าว
Rice. Sounds like cow but start high and slide down.
ข้าว ข้าว ข้าว
like a local.
4. High tone, up there. Imagine you're super excited about something. Short version.
ไป
To go. Sounds like pie but higher pitched.
ไป 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 6
6. Sounds like hook but shorter and higher.
6 6 6
Long version.
หมา
Dog. Sounds like ma when calling your mom, but higher.
หมา 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 ไม้
Wood. Sounds like might but higher and longer.
ไม้ ไม้ ไม้
5. Rising tone, climbing up. Like asking a question with surprise. Short version.
นม
Milk. Sounds like starting known low and rising up.
นม 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 คน
Person. Sounds like cone but start low and rise.
คน คน คน
Long version.
น้อง
Younger sibling. Sounds like wrong but start low and rise, without the R.
น้อง 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 หลาย
Many. Sounds like lie but start low and rise up.
หลาย หลาย หลาย
Fun combinations. Here's where it gets really interesting. Ty loves to combine these tones into little melodies. Try saying these phrases. 1.
สบายดี
I'm fine. Mid-rising high, like a little musical hello.
สบายดี สบายดี สบายดี
2.
อร่อย
Delicious. Mid-rising, like saying when tasting something yummy.
อร่อย อร่อย อร่อย
3.
ขอบคุณ
Thank you. Falling mid, like a polite bow with your voice.
ขอบคุณ ขอบคุณ ขอบคุณ
Pro tips from Cody. 1. Practice with music, try humming the tones first. It helps your brain understand the patterns. 2. Use hand gestures, draw the tone in the air as you say it. Your body memory will help your voice. 3. Record yourself, compare your musical notes with native speakers. It's like tuning an instrument. 4. Start slow, master each tone separately before trying combinations. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is perfect Thai pronunciation. Remember, getting these tones right is like learning to dance. At first, you might step on some toes, but soon you'll be flowing with the rhythm of Thai. Hey there! Cody here, and today I'm excited to share something amazing with you, the musical secret of language learning. Imagine learning a language where your voice becomes like an instrument, playing different notes to create meaning. That's exactly what we're exploring today. Think of it like playing a piano. Just as a piano has different notes, this language has 5 distinct tones. And each one can be played either short, like a quick tap, or long, like holding a beautiful note. It transforms everyday conversation into a kind of melody. I've taught hundreds of students these musical patterns, and I've discovered some fun tricks to make them stick in your English-speaking brain. We'll use familiar sounds and movements to help you master each tone naturally. We'll start with your comfortable speaking voice, that's your first tone. Then we'll dive into the others, the disappointed tone, the playground slide tone, the excited tone, and the surprise question tone. The real magic happens when you combine these tones into little melodies. Simple phrases become musical expressions, like saying "I'm fine" becomes a little melodic greeting, or delicious sounds like that mmm when you taste something amazing. I'll share my top tips too, humming the tones first, using hand gestures like you're conducting music, recording yourself to compare with native speakers, and taking it step by step. Learning these musical patterns is like learning to dance. You might step on some toes at first, but soon you'll be flowing with the rhythm. If you want to communicate naturally, understand the locals, and immerse yourself in this beautiful culture, hit that subscribe button now. Turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Your support helps me continue creating these language lessons. Let's make language learning musical, fun, and natural together. Who's with me?
Be tired like a local, like a local. 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 Be tired.